around 7:30, it's 7:26 and we are still in the queue. And Avni is super bored.
I'm scared.
She wants to go home. Hey guys, good morning. So it's day 2 and it's around 9:30. We have woken up, the kids are still sleeping, and I'm currently editing my video for today, which you have seen yesterday. So I think every morning it's going to be the same routine: wake up and just do final touches to the video. So let's see what we do today.
Each spot is like the footprint of a cell that's recognised the virus and made a response to it. Hope to see lots of spots in those spot wells, because that shows that the immune system...
Okay guys, it's around 12 o'clock, 12:15. I will cook lunch today, and Anusha wanted to say hi. We are not doing much actually. Hello. In the morning. I am done editing the video for today, so it's going up now. And later we are planning to go to Singapore Flyer. Let's see if we get the tickets. Otherwise we'll do something else. Okay, so lunchtime now. Just watching TV. Anna, what happened to Anna?
Elsa!
Oh, Elsa, what happened to Elsa? Why is she lying here like this?
I can't tie her head. Stuck.
Let me fix it. So, are you enjoying your lunch? We're having lunch now.
Yes.
They are having their favorite egg curry and rice. Okay, we are almost done. Okay.
And we're watching the day on Christmas Day.
Yeah, we are watching the vlog.
She already edited it.
So, egg curry is your favorite, Avni? It's your favorite thing in the whole world?
I thought you didn't know
Egg curry and rice. Okay, so we are finally done with lunch. Finally, Avni finished her lunch. She is such a slow eater. Itna time lagati hai. So finally, we are done. It's 2:30 p.m. I'm done with washing dishes and everything. We'll get ready now to go out. But before that, just some housekeeping things I have to do. I have to store these two things: new coriander and new green chilies. Two of my favorite things in the whole world. Okay, so I will store these first and then get ready. Okay, done with my dhania and the green chilies. All my green chilies are here. I love green chilies. I love eating them. Oh, this is not a good one. Okay, throw that away. So I have taken off all the stems and I store them with tissue paper on. And then there is all of my dhania. The same for this as well. So this will keep these fresh for much longer, and I will store them in the fridge. Okay, so we are ready to go. We are going to Singapore Flyer. It's looking like it's going to rain. So before it starts to rain, we should quickly go out. It's Singapore. I mean, it's Avni's first time to Singapore Flyer. But before the Flyer, we are going to Suntec City first, and then we are going to the Flyer. Okay, so we have already bought the tickets online, and it is open till 10 p.m. Last entry is 9:30, but we will try to go at dusk, okay, so that we can get a nice view.
Dusk is 10.
Okay, so let's go, let's get going. We are taking a bus again.
I went to the Singapore Flyer 2 or 3 times, and it's Avni's first time.
You have made this with yesterday's.
Yes.
Yeah, don't pull it, it will come out.
I'm just wearing this.
Oh.
I'm not wearing
Okay, let's go. Oh, cloudy.
Please transfer at Promenade. Thank you.
Okay, so we are getting down at Promenade for Suntec City.
Attention,
Waiting for the train.
Passengers.
Oh, it's still raining here.
Look at the waterfall.
Wow.
Falling down over there. That's falling down.
Yeah. That's the Fountain of Wealth which you can see there.
See, look at it's falling.
What's it called? The Fountain of Wealth.
Yeah, the fountain of wealth.
Come, let's go.
It's like a blizzard. It's like a blizzard.
Okay, तो आ गए हम लोग Suntec City. We have arrived at Suntec City. And again, like yesterday, we are looking for a coffee shop. McDonald's में तो बहुत भीड़ है. We have to queue up, and it will take a long time. So we are just checking if we can find another coffee shop. We'll have some coffee, and then they will play some games, and then we are going to go to Flyer. Look at the queue at Toys R Us. Oh my god, there's a long queue at Toys R Us. We have got a great place at the Coffee Bean and Tea. Look at the view here. We got a great view. You can see the Fountain of Wealth right from here. Excellent view. Oh my god. So we have arrived at Singapore Flyer. It's your first time in Singapore Flyer?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes. First time. And you are coming after so many years.
Yeah.
When you are so grown up.
It's a long queue. It's like you're never in.
There's a long queue for the flower today. So let's see how long it takes. What's the time now? Let's see how long it takes.
It's
6:30.
6:30.
6:30.
Okay, so we will see how long it takes.
It will take 7:30.
Hopefully not that long. Long queue, and it's a rainy day. Oh my god.
Love making a photo. I'm scared someone. I'm scared kids who are watching.
Oh.
I'm scared. I want to skip it.
You want to skip it? Now you're also scared. Oh no. Both of them are scared.
But I want to go.
But you want to go as well. How about
I don't
you?
want.
But we came for you. Your first time.
Guys, we are still waiting. It's so long. I want to go home now.
And there was someone there who has given up. Okay, so it's around 7:30, it's 7:26 and we are still in the queue. And Avni is super bored.
I'm scared.
He wants to go home. But yeah, we are almost there. It's
Bye. Bye-bye. Yes.
okay guys, so it's 8 o'clock now, almost 8, and the operations have been suspended for a while because of lightning alert. So they say we'll wait for some time if it resumes or not. Otherwise we'll have to go back. Let's see. Finally we are going up. Finally.
Guys, we didn't go on
The lightning has stopped, so they have resumed again.
Okay guys, we're finally going in and I'm so excited.
Finally?
Little bit excited.
Little bit excited. So 8:15 now, so it's not yet 2 hours. It's 1 hour and
50 minutes.
45 minutes. 1
That
hour
is
and 45 minutes.
Go.
Finally we are in.
I'm so excited. No, but not that high. Going up to the sky. You're running. show you. Look at this. We're at the very top.
Okay guys, I think it's still raining. I can still hear raindrops. We are going home now. We bought some souvenirs. Now we were planning to go out for dinner, but I think we'll just catch a taxi and go home. Don't have the energy to go anywhere else. We'll just go home and order food. There are a lot of restaurants nearby which deliver, and we will reach, I think, in 10-15 minutes. We are not very far from here, so we'll just go home and order. So I hope you really enjoyed today's vlog. It was a really interesting experience. We waited for some time, but it was comfortable because it was raining, so it wasn't like very hot or anything like that. So that's it for this vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you again tomorrow. Let's see what you're doing tomorrow. We don't know yet. Bye bye.